My bra's on the strapped as well. So.
I would like to get to know if I could be.
Good morning everybody. So today I'm going to do a what I eat in a day vlog style video. So I'm going to bring you along my whole day today. I'm free, I'm not working, so that's why I feel like I should film this video today. It is currently, I've got a new phone case by the way, I really love it. I have my coupon code on the screen if you want to use it, and also down below. It is currently Wednesday the 16th of January and it is 10 to 8 in the morning, so it's early because I'm never normally up this early, but I got up like 5 AM yesterday for work, so it doesn't feel super early. And I also went to bed in time last night. I feel like I'm getting my life together again. The reason why I'm up this early is because I have a dentist appointment at 9:05. The wire on the back behind my teeth, it like loosened on one end, so they need to like fix that. First things first, breakfast. I recently tried out making shea pudding. I tried it yesterday morning. Yesterday morning I tried a chocolate one and it was so good. So today I decided to do it again just because it's so quick, easy, and also healthy. Like I don't have to prepare anything in the morning. I do it all the night before and it literally takes 2 seconds. So I'll show you how I prepare it. Basically all I used was 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. They are packed with nutrients and so good for you. And then I used 2 deciliters of oat milk. You can use whatever milk you want, and then all you do is add your flavoring. So today I used this green matcha powder that I got from the Matcha Reserve. This video isn't sponsored. And yesterday I just used cocoa powder and honey. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, mixed it together, and then you just place it in the fridge overnight. And this morning it looked like this. It's got a really cool green colour and it's like a lot more thick. And then on top I just put some coconut shreds, some like dried banana, just some like dried fruit kind of thing. You can put whatever topping you want on. I also took my vitamins and like 2 glasses of water, so this is like the consistency now. It's quite thick. It's really good, like I like it, and I can't believe I like the taste of matcha. Strangely enough, I really like the taste of this. It's good and it's so good for you. Yeah, yesterday I felt like I had my life together. I went to bed the night before at like 10, although it didn't feel like I could sleep in, or it felt like it took me 3 hours to fall asleep. Hopefully it didn't, because then I got up 5 AM the next morning. For work I started at 6. I worked until like 2, and then after work I went to the gym and I just felt like I put together a girl, because that morning I had made a shea pudding so I wouldn't have to stress about breakfast in the morning, because I always loved snoozing and sleeping in. I don't know, I feel like 2019 could be the year I start living how I learn, or what's it called? Doing what I know makes me feel best. Or maybe this is gonna last for like 2 weeks. I'm gonna do my makeup now. Done. So I just did the most simple makeup ever. I'm wearing my new lipstick, Generation G. I actually really love this. It's in Leo. I didn't think it'd have as much pigment as it does. I really like it. The packaging is really cool as well. And on my eyes I've just got my Glossier mascara. I've got my Lumine CC cream. Love that shit. Got this powder. You know, basically all Glossier. And my Glossier highlight. Need to go brush my teeth and also get dressed because I'm just wearing this. And I'm watching a packing guide for Asia and Europe because we are literally going in 2 months. The 13th of March. I cannot believe it. Here's my outfit from Junkyard. We need to go now. Bye. So I just got out of the dentist's place and they did it really quick. They put I don't know, I think they just attached a plastic thing over my thread because it feels different now than to what it did before. It feels kind of weird, probably because I'm unused to it. But now I'm gonna go to a shop and I'm gonna see if they've got the speaker me and Amelia want to buy to bring on our trip, and I'm also gonna see if they have some other good things for traveling, like code locks and stuff like that, because I'm getting really excited for our trip now. Want to see? No one wants to see the inside of your mouth. So of course when I got here it was 20 minutes left until the shop opens, and now it's 3 minutes. I just went to a food shop and got some food, some veggie stuff and some like frozen berries, but I'm just sitting here waiting for the shop to open. I just got an awful lot of stuff for almost like £90 for traveling, but some of it's for Amelia, so I'm so excited about all of this. I'm getting really hungry, so when I get home I'm gonna make myself some lunch. Ow. Let's go. It's already like 20 to 11. I've been here for an hour now. My bra's on the strapped as well, so love that for me. I'm the black JB, the way these bitches scream. But just somebody else on the surface. This song is so deep, I love it. But you talk like yourself, no, I hear someone else, and now you're making me nervous. I love this song, I'm obsessed with it. Thanks Martha for showing me. He's from Sweden. Every time you tell me how it's gonna be, every time you leave, it's like the weight is gone, the weight is gone. If only I could stay, if only I could breathe, if only I could wait, if only you could stay. Just different. You wanna have a lunch and I wanna have a picnic. Open shawty up on the roof. Je m'appelle när jag ser mitt namn, det är ett helt nytt språk. Jag kan ta det way back, men nu sitter jag här på nynorsk blå. Jag bränner upp längs kust med en ung Rari on board. My camera's gonna die, I love that for me. Soon I'm home. I'm gonna have to use my big camera, so the quality is gonna be like better and it's gonna be like weird. So be prepared for better quality, guys. Shit, I'm driving in the snow. I wasn't looking at the road. Ah! It's literally so icy on the roads. I need to be so careful. But here I am just vlogging and driving. Could potentially kill myself by this. So what I'm going to be doing now is meal prep, and I'm going to be making some vegetarian tikka masala. I've never done this before, but I'm going to do about 4 portions. So I'm doing 2 deciliters of rice. This is the rice I'm using, if you're wondering. So in this pan I'm going to put corn bits. So this is basically just, instead of chicken, it tastes really nice and it's vegetarian, so I'm going to put some of that in. I think I'm making roughly like 4 portions. So I'm just going to put some olive oil in the pan. And now I'm just going to dice some tomatoes up. So now I'm going to add the onion to the pan. I'm also going to add some chickpeas. I've just rinsed them and I'm letting them running off a little bit here. So now I'm going to add the tikka masala sauce to it. This is just a really cheap one I got from the shops.
You were just afraid they'd abandon you. So you abandoned them.
I'm also pouring the tomatoes in. I'm just going to leave this to heat up for a few minutes. This is the final result. I think it looks really, really good. It's actually so good, guys, and it was really quick and easy to make. You can probably make the tikka masala sauce by yourself if you have... Great, I got it on my chin. If you have the ingredients and the time. So this is really nice. We're going shopping again soon, so I'll bring you along that. But it's currently 20 to 1, so I'm just going to sit down and eat my lunch now. So I've just edited my thumbnail for today's video, and now me and Mama are on our way to the dollar store to do some shopping for my backpacking trip. So that is going to be a separate video. They're selling Bratz again. I remember when they stopped and I was so sad.
Wow.
Oh my god, and they've got the same names, guys. This is like nostalgia for me. I got way too excited when I saw the brats. I was like, bitch, there's brats there. No, that's rare. What? I feel like that's a new one, but I know these are all old.
Hey.
Yasmin didn't look like that, did she? Maybe she did. Oh well, I need to see myself out of this area. So I got a pie with tomato, pesto and feta. Cheese looks really good. Cute vegan cafe. Dessert, it's a gluten-free chocolate cake with no white sugar in. Hi guys, so I am back home now after our shopping trip. It was successful. I did find quite a few good finds. I don't know which video is going up before, the backpacking shopping video or this what I eat in a day video. So I had a really nice pie with mozzarella pesto, no not mozzarella, with feta cheese pesto and tomatoes, and it was so nice. It was at this really cute little vegetarian slash vegan cafe that I'd never been to before, and they've got like raw food kind of, so it was like really cute in there, and I can't believe I'd never been there before. Definitely gonna go there more times. But now I'm home and I'm gonna start editing a vlog video, and I'm actually so full up from the cake and that, but I have got some crisps and some tomteskum, which is Swedish Christmas candy. We just got some today because they were like, I don't know, they were having a big sale on it, I guess, because Christmas is over, but I'm just gonna snack on that. I've got my water bottle here and edit. That's gonna be it for this what I eat in a day video. I really hope you enjoyed it, got some inspiration maybe, or just found it fun. So know that life is about balance, and I don't think you should limit yourself to eating certain foods. Like dieting isn't my thing. I just say eat whatever you want when you want, like listen to your body. Do not starve it. That is just the go-to thing. Don't starve your body, because that's like the worst thing you could do. Your mind is gonna like stop working properly, your body won't work properly, you'll be moody, grumpy, and just you won't be able to concentrate like you're supposed to. There's just nothing good will come out of that. And just want to say that take care of yourself like you would your best friend or your baby, and be as kind to yourself as you would to your friend or your baby. Like, you have to start treating yourself as you treat someone you love. So that's my little TED talk for tonight, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Here are some shout outs, because I love you all so much, and you guys are so sweet. And I've been seeing some like fan pages recently, and they're just like warms my heart so much. I love you guys. Bye.